Changing the email link to your DoorDash account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app or website. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device or visit the DoorDash website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. In the app, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. On the website, click on your account name or icon, usually found in the upper right corner. Step 3. Select email preferences. Look for the option labeled email or account information within the settings menu. Click on it to view your current email address and the option to change it. Step 4. Enter new email address. Type in the new email address you want to link to your DoorDash account. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering the new email, save your changes. You may receive a verification email at the new address. Follow the instructions in that email to confirm the change. Now you have successfully updated the email link to your DoorDash account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to DoorDash support for assistance.